In the last presentation, we started our results chain from a situation model by selecting and separating relevant components from the situation model, and then added some key missing drivers. In this next step, we will discuss how to brainstorm potential strategic approaches that may help address one or more of the components of this section of the situation model. You can follow along in How To Guide 2 on pages 14 and 15. Remember that strategic approaches, shown as light yellow hexagons here, are a set of actions with a common focus that work together to achieve a series of results in a results chain. This is an opportunity to think freely and identify a wide range of potential strategic approaches that generate positive change to the chain of situation model components at hand. It is quite possible that some strategic approaches are already underway with or without support by USAID. It is important to consider these, but at this time, we don't want to limit the possibilities to what is well known or what is common. Often, during the previous process of developing the situation model, ideas of strategic approaches were mentioned, but had to be put aside as the focus of that time was on describing the context before the possible interventions, in which case this is the time to bring these ideas forward. Brainstorming sessions of this kind will likely generate all sorts of possible strategic approaches of different scales and thematic alignment. As your team generates these potential strategic approaches, it is common to use tools, such as movable cards, diagrams on a board, or software that allows your entire team to see all the ideas, and then to go through a process of grouping, nesting, merging, and/or clarifying options. You should link up each draft strategic approach to the component or components it most clearly addresses. In the Grand River example, you can see that the design team brainstormed 5 potential strategic approaches to influence the drivers of the threat of overfishing. In the next presentation, we will look at prioritizing and selecting draft strategic approaches.